1134 Canterdale. Line has been hydrojet. Obstruction has been removed. 3,000 pounds of pressure. Water pressure has been applied to exterior clean out behind kitchen window. Right there. Line travels in this direction towards right side of home, behind AC unit, and drops into the main clean out on the side of home. Please be advised, this is an illegal direction in pipe and connection. Even though obstruction has been removed and no obstruction is present and drain is flowing properly, repairs will still need to be made to correct direction and connection into 3-inch main. Again, obstruction has been cleared, but connection in which pipe is connected from the clean out, the 2-inch clean out there, to where it dropped into the main 3-inch clean out is incorrectly done. I'll show drop momentarily. Cut the pressure off. Cut the pressure off, but just leave the water on. This is the 3-inch clean out, and you can see water flowing. This is where the 2-inch clean out drops into main clean out. Again, this is incorrectly done. It doesn't give the kitchen and laundry room drain the proper angle or incline to allow proper drainage. Work order complete.